So I feel this session is a good time recall about analytics because when we get into work for people like me who are into people and culture, we feel that analytics is not that important, data is not that important because ultimately I have to communicate. But again, I think it's a step back wherein I have to realize that to be honest and to be fair on my work, I should have a track of data. And I am someone who does not like data at all. But when I got the importance of data today, I feel I should now go back, brush up my skills, take up some courses and get fine into data. So I feel, yeah, that's where this program is very important. The instructors are very interesting. I feel I do not want to give a look to the screens that is going on. They are someone who are actually helping us to keep the information, the interest like ongoing. So I feel it's because of the facilitators I am having more interest in this program. I think Flame as a campus, it's beautiful. I personally love green altogether. If you come to my house, you'll see all greenery across. So I love green, and it's something I don't feel it's like a college. It's like a, I've come on a vacation. This is my kind of feeling, and what not. People here coming for 6 months of programs, 1 year of program, 2 year of program.